Hi everyone. Today we see about the topic accounting treatment under installment system. First we see about installment system. Installment is nothing but it is one of the credit sales system. The buyer signing of agreement under installment system to get repossession of the goods and ownership of the goods. Installment system immediately transfer to the ownership of the goods from seller to buyer. Buyer only responds for the to collect remaining payment dues only. The buyer full response and full takeover possession of the goods. Next we see about the videos to clarify that our installment system accounting treatments, journal, ledger and the transactions. See out our video. Next we see about features of installment system. It is a system of credit purchase and sale of assets or goods on credit. The purchaser should pay down payment at the timing of signing of agreement. The ownership of goods or assets is immediately transferred to the buyer seller at the time of agreement. The purchaser receives the right to use of assets immediately after signing of agreement. The buyer makes payment in different installments over a period of time as per agreement. The seller cannot claim the good back if the buyer paid default in any payment of installment. The buyer of the goods under the system has no right to return the goods to the seller. Next, hire purchase system versus installment system. Installment system को hire purchase system को என்ன difference பார்க்க போகிறோம். First, we see about the difference under the heading nature of contract. Hire purchase system is a signing of contract of hiring. Installment system signing of agreement under sale. Ownership. Title of the goods is transfer at the last final installment paid by the buyer. Under installment system, the ownership is transferred immediately to the buyer at the signing of contract. Rights of seller. The buyer fails to pay any of installments, the goods can be repossessed by the seller. The seller cannot repossess the goods under installment system. Parties involved in hire purchase system. There are three parties are involved under the hire purchase system. The person's names seller, financier and buyer. Under installment system, two parties are involved, seller and buyer only. Next, charges. Hire purchase system and the charges are made higher charges. Installment system, the monthly due amounts are paid under the heading of installment payment. Right to terminate. Hirer has to right to terminate the hire purchase agreement. Under installment system, the purchaser has no right to terminate the installment agreement. Repair, maintenance by the hire purchase system, seller only. Under installment system, buyer only responds for the repair and maintenance because the ownership immediately transferred to the buyer at the time of signing of agreement. Default in any payment. Goods are seized under the hire purchase system. Default any payments under installment system cannot be seized under the any default of installment payment. Accounting treatment under installment system. The books of buyer, the books of seller, journal entries and the ledger accounts are followed by the installment system. Next we see about the format. Books of buyer. Buyer debits asset account with full cash price, credits vendor account with full installment price and debits interest suspense account with the difference between full cash price and full installment price. Installment price को cash price குள்ள difference amount interest amount consider பண்ணி interest price calculate பண்ணி அந்த amount என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படினா interest suspense accountல buyer வந்து debit பண்றாங்க. Interest is debited to the interest suspense account because it includes interest in respect of number of years. Every year interest account is debited and interest suspense account is credited. Interest account at the end of the year is closed by transferring to profit and loss account. The balance of interest suspense account is shown in the balance sheet on asset side of the buyer balance sheet. Vendor is paid the installment due to him and entry for the depreciation is passed in the usual way. Next, books of seller or vendor. The seller debits the purchaser with the full amount payable by him and credits sales account by the full cash price and credits interest suspense account by the difference between total installment price and total cash price. Seller, like the buyer, also transfer the amount of interest due from the interest suspense interest account every year. Interest account is closed by transferring profit and loss account, and the balance sheet of and the balance of interest suspense account is shown in the balance sheet on the liability side of the seller balance sheet. On receiving the installment, the vendor debits the cash or bank account and credits the purchaser account. Journal entries in the books of purchaser. Purchasing assets under installment system. Installment system மெத்தடு கீழே பர்ச்சேசர் வந்து அசட்டை வந்து பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணாங்கன்னா ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரிஸ் asset account debtor, interest suspense account debtor to vendor account. Asset account debtor, total cash price value. Interest suspense account, total interest amount. Vendor account credit, installment price amount. At the time of down payment is made, vendor account debit to bank account, amount of down payment. At the time of interest on each installment or each installment paid, it is followed by the throughout the year. How many installment you paid to follow the same journal entries. Interest account debtor, interest suspense account credit, amount of interest on each installment. For installment paid, vendor account debtor to bank account, amount of each installment. At the end of the accounting period, we enter the depreciation account. Depreciation if value is given, depreciation account debtor to asset account. For transferring interest and depreciation to profit and loss account debtor to interest account, depreciation account. For both transfer to the profit and loss account, interest and depreciation also. Next, journal entries in the books of vendor. At the time of agreement, selling of goods under installment system, purchaser account debtor to sales account to interest suspense account. Installment price, total cash price, total interest. Purchaser account, installment price. Sales account, total cash price. Interest suspense account, total interest price. At the time of receiving down payment. At the time of receiving down payment, for down payment received, bank account debtor to purchase account, amount of down payment. At the time of interest on each installment due, each installment received பண்ணக்கான journal entry for proceeding the all installments account. Interest suspense account debtor to interest account, bank account debtor to purchase account for amount of each installment received. At the end of accounting period, transfer to the interest account. Preparation of installment system ledger accounts. In the books of purchaser, we have to prepare 5 ledger accounts. First one, asset account. Second one, interest suspense account. Next one, interest account, vendor account, and final one, depreciation account. In the books of seller, we prepare 4 ledger accounts. First one, sales account. Second ledger account, interest suspense account, buyer account, and the interest account. We have to prepare under the heading of books of buyer and the books of seller. Next, we see about one illustration for installment system maintenance by the buyer and seller. Both the parties, journal entries and ledger account, how to prepare under installment system. Next, we see about one illustration also. Mr. A purchased on installment basis a machine from Mr. B on 1st January 2003 for a sum of rupees 80,000. Rupees 20,000 is to be paid on signing of the contract, and rest in 3 installment of rupees 20,000 each. The cash price of the machinery is rupees 74,500, and the interest is charged by the vendor at 5%. The buyer charges depreciation at 10% per annum on the diminishing balance method. You are required to prepare journal entries and ledger accounts for both the parties, buyer and seller. First, we see about journal entries in the books of buyer. Mr. A is buyer, Mr. B is seller. First journal entry, purchase of machinery account debtor, interest suspense account to Mr. B account, being purchase of machine on installment basis. Machinery account debtor 74,500, machinery value, full amount value. Interest suspense account 5,500 to Mr. B account 80,000. Next, down payment. Mr. B account debtor to bank account. Down payment is paid. Down payment amount value is rupees 20,000. Interest account. Interest is 5% for the missionary value. Interest account rupees 2,725. 5% interest. In the suspense account 2,725 rupees. Payment of installment 20,000 rupees for each installments. So B account debtor to bank account 20,000 rupees. Next, depreciation value. Depreciation account debtor to missionary account, diminishing balance method. So first year, first installment 10% depreciation value 7,450. Next, transferred both interest and depreciation. So profit loss account debtor to interest account, depreciation account 10,175. So interest amount value 2,725, depreciation value 7,450. So total 10,175. Next, second year. Interest account, same proceeding follow the interest and interest suspense account installment paid and also transfer to the depreciation interest account. So amount is proceeding for the next two installments. And the final installment account, final year, interest account to interest suspense account 914. So followed by the final year also 3 installments. So 3 years we prepare the journal entries for 3 years. So ledger account for the Mr. A, that is purchaser. So first we prepare missing account, asset account. So asset account, so follow for the journal entries and post them ledger. So first year we see about first year. B account 74,500, depreciation value 7,450, balance amount transfer to the next year. So 67,050 transfer to the next year opening balance 67,050 for 2004 January 1. So next B account. B ledger account, same as usual in the books of buyer to prepare the seller account also. So ledger account, same. By missing account 74,500, interest suspense account 5,500, interest value 5%. Next, installment paid. So total amount, total year installments, first year, second year, third year. Next, you prepare interest suspense account and the interest account also. So first you prepare journal entries. It is easy to postpone to the next proceeding the years. Depreciation account also same for the 3 years, diminishing balance method. Next we see about B's journal entries, that is Mr. B seller account. So journal entry, Mr. A account to sales account to interest suspense account, same as usual 74,500, 5,500 for interest amount. So total amount is 80,000. Next bank account to Mr. A account 20,000 for cash received on delivery, down payment value. Next, interest suspense account to interest account. So first year installment interest amount 2,725 plus installment journal entry bank account to Mr. A account, being amount of installment received from Mr. A. So 20,000 it include the interest amount also. Next, interest account to transfer to the profit and loss account. In that Mr. B seller account, we does not follow depreciation value because the asset immediately transferred to the buyer, that is Mr. A account. So we does not follow seller account any depreciation value. So interest account debtor to profit loss account, being interest received transferred to the profit loss account. Same follow for the remaining installment years. So same procedure, same journal entries we follow. Next we see about ledger account in the books of seller or vendor. Mr. B account, sales account to interest suspense account 74,500, 5,500 for the first year. Down payment received, installment received by bank account 20,000, down payment by bank account 20,000. So remaining balance 80,000, 40,000 transfer to the next year opening balance. So we follow the same ledger account preparation for the remaining installment paid years. So interest suspense account, interest account, for follow that same procedures. Thank you viewers, thank you so much. Now I trust you liked that video and enjoyed and learned something about installment system. Lot of videos upload in our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe our department YouTube channel, Corporate Consortium. Thank you viewers. Thank you so much.